Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be taking a look at this microwave. So as you can see from the quick montage there at the start, we microwaved a tablet in this before on the channel. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link above. Ultimately the tablet and the microwave died, so yeah, I thought I'd take apart the microwave today and see what's actually inside one, because I've never opened it up. So in the video I'll be wearing a mask, just because it absolutely stinks after microwaving the tablet. And yeah, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, for all those inquisitive minds like mine, this is what's inside of a microwave. As you can see, there's quite a few bits. We also have this capacitor over here. I took it apart thinking there was going to be a capacitor inside of it, but it's actually a capacitor itself. You can see there all the layers and stuff inside of it and all the liquid. And then the other stuff we have is we have this transformer, so that's pretty heavy transformer. We have this little power supply board, whatever it is, got a little fuse on it. We've got just a little bulb. We've got this fellow, which I'm not 100% sure what he is. I'm thinking something to do with like heat or something like that. We've got this fella, which is the front panel stuff, so that's all the circuitry on the back of that, and then you have your display on this side. Then we have the magnetron, which I suppose is the main part of it. That's that side of it, and we have all the coolant fans on the side, or fins should I say, and then a box of magic then on the back. I'm not really sure how that works, but that's what that is. This is just a actual front panel piece that has the little buttons in it. I didn't get in at those. We've got a motor. This was the one that was on the bottom for turning the glass plate on the inside. Then we've got some of these little switches. They're like limit switches. They know when the door is closed and open. We've then got this little fan, so it's a fan on this side, and then the motor for the fan on the back. We've got a selection of wires, selection of screws, and mine had some nails in it. I'm not sure where they came from. And yeah, so for everyone wondering what's inside a microwave, that's what it is. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.